Hello everyone, my name is Anita and I'm a native Russian speaker and I teach Russian to foreigners. So today we will speak about different forms of I or me in Russian. So it's я, меня, мне, мной. So as I said, in English we have only like I, me, but in Russian we have 6 cases. But for some cases, the forms for this pronoun coincide, so we have just less forms. Today we will discuss each pronoun, each form, and how to use it. So let's start with the easiest case, the nominative case. The nominative case of I is я. For example, я живу в Кейптауне. I live in Cape Town. So nominative case is used for subjects. And here, я, I live, я живу, я is a subject. It's like the main person here. Then we have the form меня. Меня is both genitive case and accusative case. So let's start with genitive case. In fact, genitive case is quite difficult and it has many functions, but for example, let's take the easiest structure, you should know it. For example, у меня есть брат. Probably you know that it's I have a brother. So it's like, if you translate literally, it's there is a brother by me. So у меня is like by me. And usually, how to understand which case do we need? It's either the verb requires certain case or the preposition. So here we have the preposition у, like by, and у requires genitive case. So у меня есть брат, or у меня есть сестра, I have a sister. And accusative case is also меня. So accusative case is used, for example, for direct objects. For example, I can ask you, ты видишь меня? So, do you see me? Here, it's also not I, but me in English. So, and in Russian, it's меня, accusative case, because я here is direct object. And also we have мне. Мне is dative case, and also it's used for prepositional case. So, for example, for dative case, we also have different roles, but let's discuss 2 roles. The first role, when we experience something. So, for example, мне холодно, I'm cold. So, I experience the cold. We can't say я холодная, because я холодная or я холодный, it's something like I'm bitchy. But мне холодно, I feel cold. Or also мне is used for the receivers. So, for example, ты дал мне книгу. You gave me the book. So, мне, to me, I'm the receiver of the book. And also, мне is prepositional case. So, prepositional case is usually for locations or to say that something is about something or someone. For example, эта песня обо мне. This song is about me. So, обо, like we have the preposition о and different forms of it. So, it can be об or обо. So, here we use обо because мне, we have here 2 consonants in a row, so мн. And if it would be b, so об мне, it's difficult to pronounce, right? Об мне. So for мне, we use this long form обо мне, about me. So эта книга обо мне, this book is about me. And also we have мной. Мной is the instrumental case. And I can say, for example, поговори со мной. speak with me, please, поговори со мной, пожалуйста. So this is imperative form. And со мной. So с is with, and with, с requires instrumental case in Russian. So again, it's not с мной, but со мной, со мной. So here the cluster again of two consonants, m and n, so it's difficult to pronounce с мной, 3 consonants in a row, so we need to insert some vowel, со мной, поговори со мной. So I guess that was all that I wanted to tell you. If you have some questions or something you want to know more about different pronouns or different nouns, please let me know in the comments. And if you don't want to miss the next videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I record the videos almost every day. So I have the videos about Russian grammar in English, as this video, for example. Also, I have Russian podcasts where I speak Russian slowly. I speak about different topics. And I also have several videos in which I discuss the Russian language in foreign media. So if they said something correctly or not. So thank you very much for watching this video. It was Anita with you. Пока-пока. Bye-bye.